I am here today to show you a quick tutorial on how to use some of my favorite products at the moment, the Botanika line. Botanika Beauty is created by Ada Rojas, who is amazing. She's been a blogger, a beauty blogger, skincare blogger, makeup blogger for so long now, and one of her expertises is natural curly hair. And so when she came out with this line, I immediately bought like 5 different products because I wanted to try them. I knew they were gonna be amazing and I had to get my hands and hair on them. So as you can tell, I'm soaking wet, and I'm wet because I just washed my hair. It's like really wet and clean, and it's ready for me to start using the product line so that you can see what it looks like, what it feels like, and how easy it is to put through your hair. Now, I was shocked when Ada did not come out with a shampoo and conditioner for her line. Such a boss move, and I gotta say, I was really impressed. But I desperately wanted a conditioner from her, so what I did was I bought the Revitalizer. It's soaking wet as well because it was in the shower with me. So I purchased the Botanika Beauty, the Revitalizing Deep Conditioner Mask. And for those of you who haven't already figured it out, I use it as a conditioner. It works like magic. It leaves my hair so soft, so hydrated, and I can't wait to show you guys how I use it. So I open it up, of course, and look, this is what the texture looks like inside. Very cream, very rich, it's just perfect. It smells amazing. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let my hair out of the little clip, and I'm gonna part it in a few places. I usually just split it in half, like so. And secure it with a hair tie or with a clip or whatever. And then what I'll do is I'll take a handful like this and I'll just rake it through my hair. My hair is really tangled right now, so I'm not really able to rake it through. But for now, what I'll do is I'll just like put it on there, you know, mat it down. Make sure the hair is totally hydrated. Oof, it already feels softer. And that's what I really love so much about this product. It is probably, I mean, it's a deep conditioner, so it makes sense, but it is way more hydrating than any conditioner I've used in a really long time. Okay, so now that I've waited about 15 minutes to let it like really soak into my hair, what I'll go ahead and do is I'm going to untangle my hair. And what I normally like to do is I like to wet it just a little bit and then untangle. As you can see, my hair is perfectly hydrated, perfectly soft. I can literally run my fingers through it, which is like every curly girl's dream. And what I normally do is I don't wash it all out, I wash most of it out, but not all of it, so that it'll be even easier for me to apply the products, which I'm going to show you in 1 minute. Okay, so I rinsed the majority of the Revitalizer, the deep conditioner, out of my hair. And the next step for me, and of course I washed it out with cold water so that it'll, contain all of the moisture that we just added to it. Because if you put hot water, the pores in your scalp open up, and actually it makes it so it's not sealed. So all of the hydration and moisture and all good ingredients that you just put in your hair will kind of like slip away. So you want to seal it with cold water. Next, I'm going to be using it's called the Definer, and this is the Light Curl Cream. And I like this because it really is very, very light. See, it's kind of like a milk almost, but it is a cream. And what I'll do is I'll rake that through my freshly conditioned hair. I'll do my whole head. Make sure I try to put like an even amount on my entire head. I have a lot of hair, for those of you who did not know. So I like to do a cocktail of products. But if you have finer hair, you could probably just use one ingredient. And I'm pretty sure that that's one of the main things that Ava focused on when formulating her products, was that she wanted every product to be a standalone product. She wanted you to be able to use the product on its own with nothing else if that's what you wanted to do, which I think is very commendable and I love, because I've tried brands before where I've used one product and it really, really, really does nothing for me because it's just not formulated well enough. A lot of the time, if I'm not going to be going out and I'm just going to be in bed and I don't feel like putting more than one product in my hair, I'll just use the Light Curl Cream. This right here. I'll use their Light Curl Cream, which is called the Definer. And I'll leave it on overnight, and I swear to you, the next day, my hair is so freaking soft. It's amazing. Now we have the Hydrator. This is a curl cream. So we've tried the light curl cream, then I like to apply the thick curl cream, because as I mentioned, I have a lot of hair. This is what it looks like. Again, another creamy, thick product. I rub it in between my hands like so. I have a bunch of hair in my hands. I'm so sorry, you guys. But that's because I shed a little bit when I wash my hair. Maybe more than a little bit. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good. Okay, so now that we've tried the light curl cream, the curl cream, we are also going to add the styling gel. And this is the final product that I put on my hair. It's called the Protector. This is what it looks like inside. And I am such a huge fan. It smells amazing and it doesn't make my hair hard, which I find is really difficult to find in most gels. Most gels will make my hair really, really hard, but I love it because it leaves my hair like touchable, you know? So there you have it. That was the entire routine. Super simple, super fast. I think it took me about 25 minutes to do total, which is a lifesaver because normally it would take me like an hour to be here in the shower just untangling. And I'm just so grateful to have other Latina boss babes create amazing brands like this hair care line that smells so good, is rooted in Latina heritage, and works. It's super effective.